It says here that Standard Life manage over £60 billion worth of assets.
How much? I could buy a lot of toys with that.
Helen, did you hear that? That's absolutely incredible.
Yeah. 60 billion. That's a lot of money, isn't it?
Say it for Mummy.
Maybe you've got loads of time to dry your nails. Maybe it's more like every second counts. That's why Maybelline created something faster. Express Finish Nail Color. Slip it on. It goes from wet to set in 1 minute flat. One incredible finish without a smudge or a smear. And you're out the door in some of the raciest colors of the season.
Kind of nice when this beauty thing can keep up with you.
Express Finish by Maybelline.
Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline.
If you spent more time listening to me, watching what's on the blackboard, you'll learn a lot more. We say one...
Everyone knows the old rules of photography.
Hope that's the right film for direct sunlight.
But Kodak Gold Ultra breaks them all.
Using the same film in here.
Why not? Kodak Gold Ultra performs brilliantly in almost all conditions.
Now, the cha-cha.
And that shot will never come out.
Of course it will. Even action shots.
Too dark.
Just remember, if this film isn't in your camera, imagine the pictures you'd miss. Kodak Gold Ultra. Film for all conditions.
This week for the World Cup, Tesco are cutting the price of fresh and frozen pizzas by 20%. And that's just one of over 500 special offers available every week. But hurry. They won't be around forever. Tesco. Every little helps.
Bird's Eye Crispy Chicken Dippers, made with succulent chicken in a light, crispy coating.
I'm gonna get you. Bird's Eye Crispy Chicken Dippers.
Well, everybody's heard about the word, the Bird's Eye Chicken Dippers, the word. I say the Bird's Eye Chicken Dippers, the word. What don't you know about the word? It's chicken dippers, ain't you heard? I say the Bird's Eye Dippers, the word. The Bird's Eye Dip.
Only chicken worth dipping passes the Bird's Eye.